How to fix sending reel field in Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to fix sending reel field in Instagram. So if you're unable to send reels to your friends, then what you can do is, first thing, now let's go to the reels section right over here, and let's see that I'm just gonna send it this particular reel. So tap the DM icon and select the particular contact to whom you actually want to send. So if you're unable to send the reels or sending field on Instagram, it might be that the particular user might have a private account and the other user might not follow the reason. That might be the reason why he or she is unable to see the reels, or you're unable to send the reels. If none of these seems to be working out, then what else you can do is you can also clear cache as well as data. So for that, you need to go ahead and long press on your app info and tap the I button. Once you're on this page, go to storage and cache. Make sure to click on clear cache, and if you know your credential, then tap the clear storage button as well, and this might be able to fix the issue. Apart from it, you can also check for an update. If you have not updated your application for a while, then it might be the reason. So for that, go to your Play Store and on the search bar type in Instagram and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. So these were some of the methods on how you can fix sending reel field in Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.